It has just been a miserable start to the week on Wall Street. The Dow has lost more than 1,700 points in just the past 2 business days. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Susanna now joins us live in the newsroom to break down what this bear market means for all of us. Roger, unfortunately, it doesn't sound like a quick fix is on the horizon.
Sadly, you are exactly right about that, Nicole. In fact, experts now warn that we should all prepare for the possibility of a full-blown recession. A bitter day on Wall Street has Americans worrying about their retirement funds along with everyday expenses.
We're confined, we're just being like kept prisoners in our own little spaces because we can't afford to do anything.
Stocks crashed across the board over worries about inflation and higher interest rates. The S&P 500 dropped 151 points, down more than 20% from January highs, firmly landing in the claws of a bear market for the first time since the start of the pandemic.
I think there was this fear that, in fact, higher prices and rising interest rates are going to keep eating into corporate profits, and that consumers are not going to be able to maintain their current level of spending.
Tech companies like Amazon and Apple pulled the Nasdaq into deeper declines, and the crypto market also crashed, wiping out billions of dollars. Investors are closely watching the Federal Reserve, which is meeting this week to discuss raising interest rates at least 0.5%.
Problem is that the Fed was late in with fighting inflation, and now they're kind of scrambling.
For those anxious about their 401ks, experts say riding out a downturn may prove a stronger strategy than selling off.
You shouldn't just blow out of your stock positions just because what's happening today or tomorrow, even in 6 months. Most people who are investors are investing for the long term.
Closely monitor the Federal Reserve meeting tomorrow. Some economists are speculating that the Fed may raise rates by 0.75%, which hasn't happened in nearly 30 years. Live in the newsroom, Roger Susanna, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, thanks, Roger.